Hi guys, this is Jason with Idaho Geothermal. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to talk about a basic subject. What is geothermal? The definition of that word essentially means removing heat from the earth. That can be done in several different ways. The most common way is what I call hotspot geothermal, and it's a point of confusion in the heating industry. A hotspot geothermal is essentially a deep well where water that's heated by the earth is removed out of that well. It can be piped to houses or subdivisions, and it's kind of a direct heat exchange at that location. Here in Boise, Idaho, we have the geothermal district that has a whole street that's all heated geothermally by hotspot geothermal. But what we're here talking about is geothermal heat pumps. And from here on, I'm just going to call those water source heat pumps. Now, a water source heat pump also removes heat from the earth, and that's why it can also be referred to as a geothermal heat pump. The way that it does this is most commonly by burying a heat exchanger in the ground with HDPE pipe, and it's a closed system. We fill that with a freeze-protected fluid. That heat pump can circulate water through the ground and extract heat from the ground and move it into the home. So those water source heat pumps can achieve efficiencies up to 530%. And that is the number one reason why water source heat pumps are so popular, is essentially the efficiency. 530% doesn't seem right, but the easiest way for me to explain that is we purchase 1 watt of power from Idaho Power. The heat pump has the capability to move 4.3 watts of heat from the earth into the home. So you buy 1 watt of heat, you can get you buy 1 watt of power. The heat pump can put 5.3 watts of heat into your home. That's 530% efficient. They're just as efficient in cooling mode, and we're referring to forced air systems at the moment. So by activating a reversing valve inside the water source heat pump, these systems can remove the heat out of your house and inject it into the earth during summertime. These systems are hugely beneficial in AC mode because typically they're sized for heating mode and they have a little extra capacity in cooling. So here in Idaho, we have 105-degree weather right now, and we have houses performing extremely well cooling those types of systems, those types of spaces.